Let us see one more method of preparation of aldehydes and ketones, and that is from calcium salt of fatty acid. Calcium salt of fatty acid, this is prepared from the carboxylic acid or fatty acid by removal of hydrogen atom of carboxylic acid by calcium here. So when the calcium salt of carboxylic acid will take first compound as a calcium formate. So when this calcium formate is a dry distilled, you will get a corresponding aldehyde. In this case, what happened? What is a dry distillation? Dry distillation is nothing but just it is a decomposition of compound by heating in absence of air. So on dry distillation, on decomposition, this compound gives you HCHO. So here there is a decomposition and you will get HCHO plus what will be the side product here? The Ca and the CO3 comes together to form CaCO3, calcium carbonate. This is your formaldehyde. We'll take one more method in which CH3, then CO, O, Ca, O, COCH3. This is your calcium acetate. Hydrogen atom of acetic acid is replaced by calcium acetate and calcium formate. So mixture of equimolar quantity, equal amount of calcium acetate and calcium formate is taken. This is calcium formate. So this is again on dry distillation. You will get your corresponding aldehyde. So here again there is a decomposition of the compound. Actually you will get here on decomposition of this compound. Here there is a breaking and the hydrogen atom. So I'll show this as the whole thing comes together, that is CH3 CHO. Here also the same thing will happen, CH3 and CHO comes together to form two molecules of acetaldehyde, and remaining part, that is Ca, CO, and one more oxygen is also there, one more oxygen, and this Ca, it gives two molecules of calcium carbonate, acetaldehyde plus calcium carbonate. But here in this case what happens? Different equal quantity of different calcium salt of carboxylic acids are taken. But here in this case, along with acetaldehyde, the another product can be formed also, and that is acetone. We'll take one more reaction there so that it will be clear to you. In this case, we'll take only the calcium acetate, CH3, then C double bond O, O, Ca, COCH3. This is your calcium acetate. I'll write here. So this calcium acetate again on dry distillation, heating in absence of air. Sorry, this is a dry distillation. So on dry distillation again decomposition of this compound gives you acetone, CH3 COCH3. Side product is same, calcium carbonate. So this is your dry distillation, preparation of either aldehyde or ketones from the calcium salt of fatty acid. In calcium salt of fatty acid, the heating is very important. For this there is a half mark. For reaction conditions there is a half mark. If heating is not there, you will lose your marks there. So be careful while writing the reaction along with product. Heating is very important, because dry distillation is nothing but just it is a decomposition of the compound by heating in absence of air.